In this video, I'm going to show you how to get Korean font on League of Legends. What you're going to do is firstly open up any browser of your choice and Google, just type in Korean font for League of Legends download. Just Google that and then search it and open up the first result, which is the Reddit website link here. So open up the Reddit link. And once you open up the Reddit link here, scroll down, you will see the font download link here. So click on it and download the font. Okay, so this will open up the drive link here. All you have to do is once you're on the drive link here, just download the font. So once you open up the download link here, click on the download option and then download the zip file. So it's going to download as a zip file. Just download it. Okay, and once you have downloaded it, okay, so there you go, you have already downloaded it. So now in order to use this, go and download this CSLOL manager. So just Google CSLOS manager and go to the website here, the official website, and then from here, okay, and then from here click on the download option from the website. So Google CSLOL manager, okay, and then open up the lcsmanager.com, the official website, which is the first one, CSLOL manager. Just open it up. Once you open it up here, click on the download option, okay, and then go to the download link here. So this will open up. If you click on the download option, it will open up to the download page. So from the download page here, simply select the latest version, which is here in this one for me. So just click on the download option here under the link. So it will take you to the link here and then download the installer, the CSLOL manager here. Just download it and then install the manager. Once you have installed it, then now open up the CSLOL manager that you just installed and then import the font file that we just downloaded. Okay, the font file, just import that font file into the installer and run it, and then now you can play the game, and that's how you can get the Korean font. Alternatively, what you can also do, if you don't want to go through this process, you can simply change the font in the Riot game itself. So if you open up Riot game here and then go to the profile, which is on your top right there, and then go to settings, okay, here what you can do, under the game language here, select the game language, under the scroll down menu here, choose Korean, so which is this one here, okay, so which is this one here, just click on it and then this will change the language on Riot game, which will reflect on the League of Legends as well. So that's another way that you can do this if you want Korean language or Korean font. Hope the video helps.